Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of my Jibit haul. As you can tell, I still have them there, but we're gonna go ahead and start opening up some more. So these are $2.98, and this looks like it's all from Minecraft. Yeah, these are all Minecraft. I got these because, you know, everybody wants to see a little bit of everything. I don't know the characters in Minecraft, so bear with me. I don't know their names. So we got those. That one. What is that, a horse? That's not from Minecraft, is it? Then we have that. There's names for all of them. I just don't know them. There's this one. So if you know, let me know down in the comment section. There's a sword. There's another sword. What is this? I don't know what that is or how it goes. I'm not a Minecraft person. My son plays. My daughters play. There's a spider. Minecraft. TNT, the dynamite. What is this? Oh, here's a, what is this called? To break up rock. Oh, here's another little avatar thingy. Oh, and then we have all of these. Like I said, I don't know the names of these, so if you do, let me know in the comment section. Is this a pig? Yep. That's supposed to be a pig too. Time to mine. Oh, there's a little chicken. And then here's another one. So my stepdaughter has all the Legos from Minecraft. So let's just move those over. We got more. We have lots more to go through. Let's do this one. Maybe my Winifred's in here. How much is this one? Oh, I don't have the price on these. Like I said, they shouldn't be more than $5. Okay. What is this? Oh my god, look at Pikachu! Dressed up like Harry Potter. Then we have, what is this? I can't think right now. But if you know the names, I mean, I love Harry Potter. I just can't think of everybody's name right now. Harry. What's his name? The little redhead. Oh, I'm having a brain fart, you guys. I know he's from Slytherin, but what the fuck? What the hell is his name? Oh, I can't think. Here's the owl. Ooh, they could have added a little more something to that. It's Harry again, looking weird, like goofy. You know what? It'll come to me when I'm in the middle of this. He who should not be named. Oh, geez. What's her name? Hermione? Hermione, Harry. Oh my god, I can't think of the little redhead's name. Oh, I like this one better. Oh, the name's coming to me and I can't. There's another Harry. Hermione. Oh, what's his name? Oh, I can't think of his name. Okay, finally remembered. Oh my god, Ron Weasley. How can I forget? Such a dork. Who's this? I don't know who this is. Oh, the professor. Right? Is that Professor Snape? What is this? Oh, that's the one that forgets his name. See, I forgot. I don't know. I can't think. Oh, his godfather. Yeah, I'm terrible. I love Harry Potter and I can't remember anybody's name. Dumbledore. He looks good. This one looks good. I can't think of his name. The Godfather. Oh my god. He's the one that they were looking for. Here's another Ron. This one looks better. I'm having such a brain fart. Oh no. He was... I can't think of this one's name. I don't know. After COVID and going through menopause, I blank out on stuff. Oh, it was so sad. Oh my gosh. You know what? I feel like real dumb right now because I can't remember anybody's name. And Slytherin's scarf. Isn't that Ron when they were going to the dance? Oh, I can hear them calling his name in my head. I can't think of his name. Oh no, what a fan am I. I've let down everybody. Here's the hat, the sorting hat. Oh man. Yous are gonna hate me. And I know yous are probably yelling at the computer like, come on, that's so-and-so. I can't think. Oh, those are the eaters. What are they called? Soul suckers. Here's another sorting hat. Here's another. Is that Ron? Yeah, it's Ron Weasley. Oh. Oh, that's Snape. Then who's the other one? Who's that? Is that her? No, that's not Hermione. Is that Hermione? No. I don't know who that is. This is Hermione and her cat. But who's that? Is that Ron's sister? Because I didn't like her. Oh, man. Oh, I can't think of his name. Oh, I'm so terrible. Oh, excuse me for missing out. I really can't remember anybody's name. Not one person's name. Oh, what a letdown. I felt sad because I couldn't remember everybody. You know what? It'll come to me. It'll come to me. I can picture it in my head as he's walking and they're calling for him, but I can't think of his name. Okay, let's do this one. Forgive me, guys. I don't know what it is. So these were $4.48. I can't think of his name. It wants to come to me, but it doesn't. So we have Grohl. When you guys see these, you'll know what movie this is from. Spellbook. I don't know what that's from. A curling iron. Curling iron. Is that ponytail? Why is there a ponytail in this one? That's so strange. Love. There might be two different ones in here. Burn Book. We all know what movie that's from. Mean Girls. Yeah, I think there's two different ones in this bag. Because this is like for someone who cuts hair, like a beautician or stylist. Right? And then we have from the movie. Here's breast cancer awareness, I think. Yeah, these are just a mix of different ones. Another Burn Book. Right? Burn Book. Yeah, this is a mix of a lot of different ones. What does it say? I don't know what that says, you guys. This is something Survivor. If you know what that says, let me know. I don't know what that says. Like I said, this is a bag of different ones. I thought these were all from Mean Girls. Wish you were here. I guess not. What did they shut up? Oh, this is like bad. I should have looked at these before. Because now I can't get my money back on these. On Wednesdays we wear pink. Ooh, like that one. See, like this is hair pieces. So that's strange. You can't sit with us. Ooh. Here's another breast cancer awareness one. Yeah, these are like Boo hoo. Oh, is this the cool mom? And what does that say? She doesn't even go here. Is that what it says? I don't know. She doesn't even go here. Self-care gang. Yeah, I don't know. I'm getting like several different things in this bag. Because I'm the cool mom. That one will go on my shoe. What's this say? I want my pink shirt back. What is this? Oh, the chair. Yeah, see, like this is a beauty chair somehow. I don't know. That's weird. And then this is so fetch. I'm wearing this one. And then we have the needle. Needle? Like what? Yeah, like this is a post office one that says, thank you for your post office. Your mail carrier. Here's a blow dryer. What does it say? Super Dominican. What? That's so random. It's a bucket hat. Isn't this from Clueless? And then here's this one. The Mean Girls. Magical as fuck. And a cowboy hat. I don't know. This was like so strange. What do you think of this little pack? Oh, I don't understand that. That was so strange. I don't know where the Super Dominican came from. Okay, so I have 3 more. I'm just gonna open them. I can't think. Oh, I want to say his name. See, I can't think. I can hear Dumbledore say his name. I can hear the kids yell his name. I just can't think of his name. What is this? A crown. Okay. Then we have a teddy bear. We have a unicorn. Cute. What is this? Oh, a sack. Toy sack. Hello Kitty. Diamond. A lipstick. Sunflower. A little butterfly. A unicorn. Oh, I like these. Okay, Louis Vuitton. I'm gonna put a pair of Louis Vuittons on my fucking Crocs. It's a pink purse. Oh, pink purse. What is this? Supposed to be a hat? I don't know what this is, you guys. This is like weirded out stuff now. Here's a present. Some flip-flops. Pink purse. Bow. Sunflower. Oh my god, rainbow cactus. Am I missing anything? No, that was it for that one. Okay. 2 more and then we're done. I'm just gonna finish these out. Okay, so these are from the AKAs. This is a sorority. I bought these, honestly, so I can sell these. Ski Wee 1908. I don't know what that is. These are from the AKAs, like I said. It's a sorority. See? AKA. Their colors are pink and yellow. I mean, pink and green. AKA Alpha Kappa Alpha Kappa Alpha 1908. I had a boss who I worked for. She was an AKA. I am Black History. And I guess that's their symbol. I don't know. And then we have this one. This one. I'm going to put these on my Macari store. Because I'm not in that sorority and I wouldn't represent that. Because I'd be falsely doing that. Danger. What does it say? Danger. Alpha Kappa Alpha. Pretty and educated. Okay, girl. Pinkies. AKA Girl Pretty Pearl. Yeah, I bought these so I can sell them. So, AKA 1908. What is this? AKA. Well, I like that one. And there's I guess it's their pinkies. I don't know. Here's another AKA 1908. That's when it was founded, huh? And Living Pretty. I like this. I like this one. But does it have an AK on there? Because if it, yeah. Like, if it does, I can't wear that one. Okay, we got those. And now we have this last one. Okay, so these are like Jordans. And these I'm sending to my daughter. The purple one. She knows like all the, what is that? Is that messed up? Yeah, that's messed up. And then we have this one. We have this one. These are all supposed to be Jordans. That one. That one. You're gonna wear Jordans on your Crocs. Got these. Green, yellow. So that's it, you guys. We're coming down to the last ones. I remember these. And that's it. So let me know if you want the links on these. If not, just look up the Jibits. They should be in there. Oh, did I show you this one? No, right? Okay. I think that's it, you guys. Oh, there's a pink one. Yep, that's it. That's all the Jibits I have. Hopefully you liked both parts to this. Let me know which one was your favorite one from either haul. I don't know which one you're watching yet, but there's so many. I don't know what to do with them all. So thank y'all for hanging out with me. Until next time. Hasta laters.